Tired of your fractions looking like a scribbled mess in your Word documents? Let's fix that. First, let's use the equation editor. Click on the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look towards the right side and you'll see Equation. Click the drop-down arrow below it and select Insert New Equation. This opens the Equation Tools Design tab. Here, you'll find a variety of symbols and structures. Click on the Fraction option. A drop-down menu will appear with different fraction styles. Choose the fraction style you prefer. A stacked fraction is common. Click on it, and you'll see placeholder boxes in your document. Simply click inside each box and type in your numerator and denominator. Now, let's explore inserting fractions using symbols. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Symbol on the far right. If your desired fraction is listed, click on it to insert it directly. If you don't see your fraction, click on More Symbols in the symbol window. Change the subset drop-down to Number Forms. Here, you'll find a selection of pre-made fractions like 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. Select the fraction you need and click Insert. Finally, let's create a custom fraction format using the slash. Type your numerator, then a /, then your denominator, for example, 1/2. Select the entire fraction. Then go to the Home tab and find the superscript and subscript buttons. They look like x² and x subscript 2. Click the superscript button for the numerator and the subscript button for the denominator. You might need to adjust the spacing slightly to make it look cleaner, and that's it.